Readiness Probe tells Kubernetes when a container is ready to accept traffic. Unlike the Liveness Probe, it doesn't restart the container, it just controls whether the container is part of the service's endpoints. If the readiness check fails, Kubernetes stops sending requests to that pod until it passes again. This is useful when the app needs time to start up or is temporarily busy. Types of readiness probes includes HTTP, where Kubernetes hits a URL like /ready and expects a 200 status, or opens a TCP connection to check if the port is listening, or runs a custom command inside the container to check if readiness have passed. Key parameters include initial delay seconds, period seconds, and failure threshold. Here Kubernetes sends an HTTP GET request to /ready on port 80. It will starts checking after 5 seconds and will repeats every 10 seconds. If it fails 3 times in a row, Kubernetes marks the pod as not ready, and it won't receive traffic. If the app is not ready, traffic is stopped, but the container keeps running. Like and subscribe for more tech insights and updates.